Chanting mantras and stress. Mantras can have a powerful effect on your state of mind, reducing stress and improving your intuition. Chanting mantra silently or aloud is a way to practice control over your mind and actually quieting the mind. Mantra chanting trains your mind to focus on just what it wants to do, instead of wandering around and drawing into these anxious and stress-related thoughts. Mantras can actually be used as a meditation. Scientific studies have found that chanting can actually decrease stress, anxiety, and depression, as well as increase the positive moods, feelings of relaxations, and focused attention. Chanting can also help calm the emotional brain. In one study done with an MRI, studying patients who were actually chanting, found that it significantly deactivates the amygdala. The amygdala is that almond-shaped structure located in the anterior portion of the temporal lobes. It is known to play the part in controlling our emotions, our motivations, and our memories. It's like a library, storing the emotional perceptions that occur each time a thought enters the brain. Think of it as this. Every time we build a memory, we activate emotions so that your body reacts to these thoughts. And the brain's job is to predict an outcome. So think of it when you're chanting, the sound of the mantras having a particular wavelength or a vibration, which actually has a different effect on all of us, as we are all vibrating human beings, in our minds and in our emotions. Repetitive chanting can actually have a direct effect on our parasympathetic nervous system, as it can slow the breathing and activate the vagus nerve. The vagus nerve. Vagus nerve is that long bundle of motor and sensory fibers that link the brain stem to the heart and to the lungs and to the gut, and branching out into the liver and the spleen, female organs, the neck, the ears, the tongue, and even the kidneys. It powers our involuntary nerve center, that parasympathetic nerve center, the rest and digest, and controls our unconscious body functions as well, everything from our heartbeat and keeping our food digested to breathing. The vagus nerve can also be toned and strengthened just like a muscle. So let's look at it a little bit more on the sociological effect or scientific explanation. As we chant, your tongue moves around the hard palate of your mouth, stimulating 84 meridian points that then relay messages to the hypothalamus area of the brain. And the hypothalamus is responsible for regulating the master gland of the body, the pituitary, which then affects our sleep, our hunger, our mood regulations, emotional behaviors, and even sexuality. The hypothalamus also affects other parts of the system, like your immune system. So chanting mantras could actually make you more healthier. So, shall we go chant?